And it's just as well that the Earth's inner heat continues to push mountains up. Because huge though mountains are, they're continually under attack. Given enough time, there's a force that can completely destroy them. It might seem unlikely, but that force is nothing more than water. Ironically, mountains create the very rain that attacks them. They're high enough to disrupt the atmosphere and create their own weather. The higher the mountains are pushed up, the higher the air is forced to rise to cross them. So the air cools and condenses into clouds, which produce rain. And it's surprising just how effective the power of water can be. It's only when you're fighting the rapids that you can begin to understand how powerful a river can be. This gorge is hundreds of meters deep, and yet it was cut by the river, relentlessly wearing away at the rock, and it's still getting deeper. Rivers don't just erode the rock, they also carry it from the mountains to the sea in the form of silt. It happens on a massive scale. In South America, the Amazon carries away over 2 billion tons of the Andes every year and deposits it in the Atlantic Ocean. And on the Indian subcontinent, the Ganges River that starts high in the Himalayas grinds away around 1 billion tons of rock every year, dropping it 3,000 kilometers downriver in the Indian Ocean. If it wasn't for the movement of the plates building new mountain ranges, water would eventually erode away all the land on our planet. It's hard to imagine, but if the plates should ever stop moving, our planet would become a water world. It may take an unfeasibly long time, but eventually the land would be worn down and washed out to sea, and Earth would be covered in a vast ocean several kilometres deep. So it's thanks to the collision of the plates continually pushing the land up that we still got terra firma to stand on.